Okay, welcome back to part 2 of my video here on this grate system for the furnace. I have my grate installed inside my jig that I made. And it's just simply made out of 2x4s and some 1x with some long rods holding it together like a big old clamp. And the reason for this is, of course, this is going to be flipped upside down. But right on these edges, right here, you'll put a thin layer of furnace cement, no higher than 3/16 to a 1/4 inch high. That'll go around this edge, around these bolts, here and here. So if you're trying to slide this heavy grate in down below for my first video, and I'll take you back there, you'll just smear this all off. Not only that, these studs will catch. So what I did is I set this jig up, I flipped it over upside down here, or you can do it like this, and you want that so those studs are going to be lower than that. You can see that stud right there. So you can slide that in. So this area right here and here will slide in this area down below here. I struggled with this for years trying to get that in there without smearing all that cement off. What I came up with, if there is a better way, wow, I'd love to know. But those guides, those side pieces I told you about, they will slide right across here. And as you can see, that's where the stud goes in those slots. And then when I get it in place, I just loosen up those long bolts and it settled it down right into where it's supposed to be. Now I've cleaned all my cement off. I've wiped it out with a damp towel. And it's ready to go. So thanks for watching. And if there's any remarks, comments, how I could do this better in any of this, I would appreciate your comments. Thank you.